If it sounds like this is what you have to do. Ready? I'm going to kick it on. Wow. Alright, passenger side. It looks like this glove box. You're going to have a bolt there, a screw, two there where it latches, the glove compartment, another one there, and then down here you're going to have one here, and then another one on this side over here. Alright. Okay. There we go. I'll put this over there. Here's the blower motor right here. It's a plug and 3 screws. We'll do the one in the back first. Alright. You know what, I'll go ahead and undo the plug too if I can get to it here. Yeah. There we go. Alright. Let's choose the other one here. I don't have anything to hold my phone up. I'm recording with my phone, so I'm just trying to do it with one hand. There we go. Should come out of there. Oh my gosh, I can see stuff in it already. Caked with stuff. Oh wow. A minute, I'm gonna dump this in the trash. So anyway, we're gonna put it back in there. There's the plug. Alright, not too bad. Okay. Now I think we should go ahead and start it and see what it sounds like before we put everything back together. Alright. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put the glove box back in. It's going to go just like that. Alright, let's get a screw in here. I'm trying to just hold it with the phone in my hand. I'll get one of these screws started here. I'll just barely put it in case it needs to move around, adjust any. Get this one in here. Sorry, had an interruption. Okay. Well, if that works. Yeah, some Harbor Freight crap. Okay. Let's get a couple of these in down here. That didn't work right, did it? Wasn't popped into place. There we go. Alright, let's see if we can get the screwdriver on there. That's it. Alright, that's pretty snug. Let's go to this side. Let me hold it with my shoulder. Okay. Alright, that's that. Now all we have is the latch right here. Okay. Okay, that's it. Got every port filled. It's not losing any water at all. All the valves are sealing. If you look over on this side, there's not even any seeping ones. And it's been like that for about 10 minutes or so. Is that a seeping one? I can't tell. No, it's not. It's just a little white spot.